In today's video, I'll teach you how to draw Winnie the Pooh and even show you how to color your drawing at the end of the video. So come with me because today's content is awesome. Hey artists, I'm Ledy, and in this video, we're going to draw Winnie the Pooh. Remember, you just need to copy the lines to form the drawing, and don't forget to leave your like, it really helps the channel. Let's start by drawing the nose. Now come the eyes. Now comes the mouth. Now the cheeks. Then the eyebrows. Let's draw the forehead. Now the cheeks. Next, the ears. We can draw the collar. Next, the shoulders. Let's draw the belly. Next, the shirt. Now, the arm. And the other arm. Now comes the leg. Now comes the other leg. Let's color the black parts. The shirt. The skin. And And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.